Well, guys, our tow vehicle just got rear-ended. Mile High Campers coming back at you again with another video. Unfortunately, in today's video, our F250 was rear-ended. However, you are going to want to watch this entire video because things are about to get interesting. The majority of the damage to the truck was mainly on the rear driver's side of the bed, and the trailer plug on the receiver was destroyed. I took the truck to a body shop and they estimated the damages to be $3,500. They told me they were going to replace the trailer plug and cut the entire driver's side of the bed off and replace it with a new bed side. Now, the bed on my truck was not perfect to begin with. I had actually noticed some paint peeling on the passenger side prior to the accident. Knowing that insurance was going to cover the damage from the accident, I decided to ask the body shop how much extra out of pocket it would be to have them repaint the passenger side of the bed, since the bed was going to be off of the truck anyway. The body shop told me it was going to be an extra $1,000 to have the passenger side repainted. Well, this got the gears in my brain starting to turn. For starters, I knew that the insurance company of the driver that caused the accident was going to have to pay out a minimum of $3,500 for the repairs no matter what, because I had taken the truck to get the estimate at the body shop that they wanted me to. I wasn't exactly thrilled that the bed was going to be hacked up for the repair, and I thought $1,000 out of pocket was going to be a little high to paint one side of the bed. With that, I began Googling. After some extensive searching around online, I found a used bed at a place that does custom utility and flatbed installations. So the used bed was a takeoff of a Ford F250 that received a custom bed. So there was nothing wrong with it, and it was the same color as my truck. This would mean I would be getting a factory painted bed the same color as my truck with no damage, and I like that a little better than having the body shop cut up my bed to fix it. With that said, I decided I was going to take the repairs on myself. Now, this journey involves a trip to Nebraska to pick up the used bed, some eBay purchase, eventually leading to, since I got the truck apart anyway, I might as well put a lift kit on it, new grill, new wheels and tires, a Facebook purchase that took me on an 8-hour drive, so I will be going over all the repairs, prices, and how I got deals on a few items. So be sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can follow the repair videos to see how I did everything and ultimately how the truck looks now. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace!